Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about some different models from part 1 and part 2. Okay, students. Right now, the question number 1, in a triangle ABC, A into B square plus C square into cos A plus B into C square plus A square into cos B plus C into A square plus B square into cos C. So students, here the A into B square plus C square into cos A, B into C square plus A square into cos B, after that C into A square plus B square into cos C. Right now students, here is there AB square cos A, and also students is there A square B cos B. Now students, we have to take the common is AB. So when we are taking the AB, is there B cos A, is there A cos B. Okay students, so this is the logic here. What is the students? First we are taking the common is the AB. Here AB, is there B cos A, is there A cos B. After then students, then we take the common is the AC. When we are taking the AC, is there C cos A. After then this is the students A cos C. Similarly students, we have to take the common is here BC. When we are taking the BC, this is what? C cos B plus this is the students BC is there B cos C. So my dear students, just we can written as AB into this is what? B cos A plus A cos B, this is C. After then students AC into this is there C cos A plus A cos C is the students small b. From the projection rule, this is C. From the projection rule, this is B. My dear students, we are taken this is, what is this one? Small a. So ABC plus ABC, this is also ABC. ABC plus ABC plus ABC, this is the students 3ABC. Okay. Write down. Now students, the next one, in a triangle ABC, angle A is to angle B is to angle C. In a triangle ABC, A is to B is to C. Is given that 1 is to 2 is to 4. Then the value of A square minus B square, B square minus C square, C square minus A square upon A square B square C square. What is the students? A square B square C square. Is it clear? Now students, the angle A is the K, angle B is the 2K, angle C is the 4K. Now students, the sum of the angles A plus B plus C equal to 180 degrees. So this is the students K plus 2K plus 4K is the 180 degrees. This is the students 7K. How to write the student? This is 7K equal to 180. So K is the students pi by 7. My dear students, now A is pi by 7, B is the students 2 pi by 7, C is the students 4 pi by 7. So now students, here we have to find a square minus b square. What is the students a square minus b square is? A is the from sin 1 to r sin a. This is 2r sin b. 2r sin a whole square is 4r square sin square a. Now students, the common factor is the 4r square sin square a minus sin square b. Okay students, after that similarly this can be written as 4r square sin square b minus sin square c. Now student, this is 4r square into sin square c minus sin square a upon, what is the student, this is 4r square sin square a. After that 4r square sin square b. After that 4r square sin square c. 4r square is the common cancel students. Now this is what students, sin square a minus sin square b. We know that is the formula of sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay students, after that similarly this is what, sin of b plus c, sin of b minus c. What is the last one students? The sin of, what is there, c plus a into sin of c minus a upon is there sin square of a, sin into sin square b into sin square c. My dear students, what is the a plus b? A plus b is the students sin of 3 pi by 7. So a minus b is the students minus of sin pi by 7. Is it clear students? A minus b, pi minus 2 pi minus 5. After that the sin of b plus c. B plus c is the students 6 pi by 7. Yes. Sin of b minus c. This is what students? 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus of 2 pi by 7. Sin of minus theta minus sin theta. After that students, c plus a. The sin of c plus a is the students sin of 5 pi by 7. Yes. C minus a, 4 pi minus 5, 3 pi. Sin of 3 pi by 7. Dear students, is there sin square a, sin square b, sin square c. My dear students, the minus into minus is the plus. Here the 6 pi by 7 can be written as pi minus pi by 7. What is the students? How to write this is sin of pi minus pi by 7. This can be written as pi minus pi by 7. This is what? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is positive. So student, these are same. Now this is sin into sin is sin square pi by 7. Is it clear students? How can you write this is? Now students, sin pi by 7, this is also sin minus into minus plus, sin pi by 7 into sin pi by 7, sin square pi by 7. So students, now this is what? 3 pi by 7. This is the students 3 pi by 7. How can you write this is the students? Sin into sin. This is sin square of 3 pi by 7. So what is there? So this can be written as pi minus 2 pi by 7. How to write? Pi minus 2 pi by 7. 7 pi minus 2 pi. 7 pi minus 2 pi, 5 pi. So students, sin of 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, sin into sin is sin square of 2 pi by 7 upon is there sin square A, sin square B, sin square C. Dear students, what we observed here? the sine square pi by 7. This is how to write. This is pi minus 4 pi. Pi minus 4 pi, that is 7 into pi, 7 pi. How to write this is the students? The sine square pi minus 4 pi by 7. So students, how can you write this is? We can written as the last one is sine square 2 pi by 7 is there, sine square A, sine square B, sine square C. This is what students? The sine square of pi by 7 is the A. After that students, sine 180 minus theta, sine theta, sine 4 pi by 7 lies in second quadrant. This is sine 4 pi by 7 is the C. Now sine square 2 pi by 7 is the B. So students, denominator is also there, sine square A, sine square B, sine square C. This is the value 1. Okay. So a square minus b square minus c square minus a square by a square, b square, c square is equal to 1. When angle A is to B is to C or the 1 is to 2 is to 4. 1 pi by 7, this is 2 pi by 7, this is 4 pi by 7 on the A equal to B equal to C. Okay students. Write down students the next one. In a triangle ABC, write down students, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, if small a is the arithmetic mean, small a is the students arithmetic mean, and b comma c are the geometrical mean. Geometrical means between any two positive real numbers, between any two positive real numbers, two positive real numbers. Okay students, then find the value of sine square b, sine square c upon sine A into sine B into sine C. Okay students, then find the value of sine square B plus sine cube B plus sine cube C upon sine A into sine B into sine C. My dear students, what is given that students? A is the arithmetic mean between the two positive numbers, and the students B and C, what is the students? A is the arithmetic mean and B and C are the geometrical mean between the two positive real numbers. So dear students, let x and y be the two positive real numbers. X and y be the two positive real numbers. Okay students, let x and b are the two positive real numbers. First, so a is the between x and y. So x comma a comma y are in arithmetic progression. So the am is, what is the students? A can be written as x plus y by 2. What is the students? What is the A? X plus y by 2. That is the A. Yes, A can be written as x plus y by 2. Now students, the one more condition is given that. So here the B and C are the geometrical means between the x and y. So x, B, C, Y are in the geometrical progression. Okay, students. So my dear students, we have to take the common ratio is the r. Undoubtedly, students, the b is the xr, c is the xr square, and y is the xr cube. What is the students? We have to take the common ratio is the r. First we are taking the first term is the a is the x, b is the xr, c is the xr square, y is the xr cube. Since students the first term is the x, that is ar square, ar cube, where a is the x. Okay, students. Now we have to find the value of what, students? The sine cube b plus sine cube c upon the sine a into sine b into sine c. So dear students, the sine cube b, what is the sine cube b? This is the students sine cube b. We know that from the sine rule, this is what? B by 2r whole cube. After that, c by 2r from the sine rule whole cube. This is students a by 2r, b by 2r, c by 2r. This is what, students? 8r cube. So dear students, what is the value here? 8r cube is the LCM or cancel. Now we get a b cube plus c cube upon abc. So this is abc. My dear students, what is the b cube? How to write the b cube is x cube r cube. What is the c cube is? Dear students, c cube is x cube. What is the students? How can you write this is? We can written as what are the remaining is there? b cube c cube by LCM or cancel, abc are there. b cube is the students x cube r cube, b cube. After that, c cube is the students x cube r square whole cube is the r power 6 upon a is the, what is the students? A x plus y by 2. Dear students, the x plus y by 2. So b is the students, what is the b? B can be xr. What is the c? X r square. Okay, students, b is the, first you can write a. So dear students, then also find the a. Just 1 minute, students. The a is the x plus y. What is the students? X plus y by 2. A is the students x plus y by 2. This is what, students? The a equal to x plus y is the x r cube by, what is the students? A is the x plus y by 2 is the a. Y is the students x r cube upon their 2. So this is we can directly written as, what is the small a? The small a is the students x plus xr cube by 2. What is the small b? That is xr. What is the small c? xr square. This is the students, the common term is the x cube, r cube is the common. Yes, this is 1 plus r cube. So the denominator is sending to the, so 2 is sending to the numerator. So that is the 2 into, what is the students? X is the common here. 1 plus r cube. X is the common. X into x into x. X cube. R into r square is the r cube. Dear students, x cube r cube and 1 plus r cube are cancelled. This is what, students? This is the 2. Write down, students, same terms are cancelled. The answer is 2. Write down. Now write the student another question. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle DEF. DEF is inscribed in an equilateral triangle. My dear students, equilateral triangle DEF is inscribed in an equilateral triangle ABC. As shown with DE perpendicular to the BC. What is the students? DE is a perpendicular to the BC. Then the ratio of the area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle DEF to the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, students. So here what we observe the students, what is the given data? So equilateral triangle DEF is inscribed in another equilateral triangle ABC as shown with DE is a perpendicular to the BC. Then the ratio of the triangle DEF to the ratio of the triangle ABC. Dear students, all of you observed here, this is the triangle ABC. What is the students? This is what? Triangle ABC. ABC is an equilateral triangle. So here, undoubtedly students is given that, what is given that? This is D, this is E. DE is a perpendicular to the BC. Yes or no students? What is the given condition? DE is a perpendicular to the BC. So students, when we are taking here that F is the point, so all of you observe the DEF is also equilateral triangle. But students, the DEF is inscribed in a triangle ABC. Is it clear? Suppose the students, when we are taking the side is the X, DEF, this is what? 60. This is also 60. This is also 60. My dear students, we have to know that the area of the equilateral triangle when the side X, that is root 3 by 4 X square. Okay students, what is the meaning? The area of the, all of you observe here, the area of the triangle DEF when the side X is root 3 by 4 X square. So this is the students small a. Everybody know that triangle ABC also given that equilateral triangle. Now we have to first find the length of the side A. This is also A, this is also A. So A is nothing but, what is the students? A is nothing but BD plus BC. Now students, what we observed here, this is 60, undoubtedly this is 60, this is 90, 90 plus 60, 150, this is 30. So in an equilateral triangle, each angle is the 60. Okay students, in an equilateral triangle, each angle is the 60. Now students, 30 plus 60, 90, undoubtedly this is 90. So dear student, this is what BD. From the sine rule, how to write? My dear students, how to write from the triangle? From the triangle DBF. Apply the sine rule. We can apply the sine rule. So my dear students, A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. What is the students? A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Here the required is BD. Whatever required BD. BD by the opposite of BD is the students sin 90 degrees equal to the x by opposite of x is the x by sin 60 degrees. Dear students, what is the here? BD by sin 90 and x by sin 60. This is from sine rule. A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C. Here we have to take the required BD is given that x. That's why we are taking the only two sides. So what is the students BD? Sin 90 is the one, that is x by sin 60 degrees. That is root of 3 by 2. So dear students, the BD is the 2x by root 3. So my dear students, now find the DC. This is the DC. This is x. So what is the student? This is also 60. This is 30. Is it clear? 90 plus 60, 150. That is 30. So students, how can we write this is from the triangle? From the triangle CDE. From the sine rule we can written as DC by opposite angle is the students sine of 30 degrees. After that the x by sine of 60 degrees. This is what students? The DC equal to x by sine 60 degrees into sine 30 degrees. My dear students, the DC can be written as, what is the sine 60 degrees is? 2x by root 3. The sine 30 is the degree 1 by 2. Now this is the students x by root 3. My dear students, so we have to find the length of the side BC. How to write the students the BC? The BC can be written as, how to write the BC? My dear student, the BC of length small a. That's what? The A equal to BC. BC is the BD plus DC. We can written as BD plus DC. What is the length of BD? Just now we find out this is 2x by root 3. This is the 2x by root 3. What is the DC is? X by root 3. This is what? 3x by root 3. This is the students root 3x. So this is the students small a is the root 3x. Dear students, we have to find the area of the, what is the ratio? Right now we find the area of the triangle DEF upon the area of the triangle ABC. Each side is the length x. Therefore, the area of the triangle DEF is the root 3 by 4 x square. My dear students, this is root 3 by 4 of side length we take a, that is a square. Everybody know that this is the root 3 by 4 x square, the side of length x. Here the side of the equilateral triangle of length a. 3 by 4 is cancelled. Dear students, the x square by, what is the a square? Dear students, this is what? Small a. A square is the students 3x square. X square term is cancelled. This is 1 by 3 is the answer. What is the students? 1 by 3 is the required solution. Write down. We can apply the only sine rules. Okay students, first you can apply the sine rule for the DBF, after then apply the sine rule for CDF, then we have to find BC here. The first time we have to find the BD, we have to find the length of the side A. That's what root 3x. After that, area of the triangle DEF is root 3 by 4x square. Then also root 3 by 4 a square. Okay, students, 1 by 3. Okay. Now students, if the sides of the triangle are in the ratio, write down the another question. If the sides of the triangle are in the ratio is the students x is to y is to x is to y is to root of x square plus xy plus y square. X is to y is to root of x square plus xy plus y square. Then the greatest angle my dear students, here what we observe, the sides A is to, suppose let x equal to y equal to 1. My dear students, if you are taking either x1 and y2, so dear students, now this is A is to, B is to C, that is the students 1 is to root over 3. So which is the largest side? Undoubtedly root 3 is the 1.732. Now students, the greatest angle is cos C. The cos C is the students from the cosine rule a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. A square is the students k root 3k. That is the students k square plus k square. Write down students, this is minus of 3k square, 2 into k. My dear student, this is what? Minus k square. What is the students? Minus k square by 2k square. This is a very easiest one students. The minus 1 by 2, we know that cos of 120. C is the students 120. Write down students, the greatest angle is 120. Okay. Now students, the another one. If the two sides of the triangle, write down students, if the two sides of triangle are the roots of, if the two sides of the triangle are the roots of the equation 4x square minus 2 root 6 into x plus 1 equal to 0, and the included angle and the included angle is the 60 degrees. Then the third side, then the third side, my dear students. So here it is also very easiest one, students. Right now when we are taking the two sides A and B, included angle is the 60 degrees. This is the, students, A, B, C. Now we have to find the third side. Okay, students. Now the given equation is, now students, A and B, let A and B are the roots of the equation. What is the, students? 4x square minus 2 root 6x plus 1 equal to 0. Sum of the roots A plus B. My dear students, the sum of the roots is, we know that, minus B by A. Minus of minus plus 2 root 6 by 4. This is the, students, root 6 by 2. This is the root of 6 by 4. Root of 3 by root of, what is the, students? Root of 3 by 2. This is the A plus B. My dear students, the product of the roots is C by A. That is 1 by 4. So what is there here? From the cosine rule, C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. What is the, students? The C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is, we can written as A plus B whole square minus 2AB. A square, B square plus 2AB minus 2AB cancel. This is minus 2AB cos C. Dear students, the A plus B whole square is nothing but 3 by 2. Minus AB is the value 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 is the 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Cos 16, that is also 1 by 2. Dear students, now this is what? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is the 2 by 2 is the 1. 1 by 4. This is the, students, 3 by 4. This is the value C square. Now C is the, students, root of 3 by 2. Write down, students. The third side is the root 3 by 2. Is it clear? We have to apply only the cosine rule. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Cos 60 degrees is the 1 by 2. 2AB, AB is the 1 by 4. 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. 3 minus 1, 2 by 2 is the 1. This is 1 by 4. Therefore 3 by 4 is the C square. C is the, students, root of 3 by 2. Okay. Now students, the next one, A square plus B square in a triangle ABC. If in a triangle ABC, A square, B square, C square equal to CA plus AB into root 3. Then the triangle is, so dear students, the options are given by equilateral. Equilateral is the option A. Option B is the right angle isosceles. And option 3 is the, students, right angle with one of the acute angle is the 60. And option D is the, students, obtuse angle triangle. So dear students, what is the given condition is A square plus B b square plus c square. So dear students, the a square plus b square plus c square is given that ca plus ab into root 3. This is the students a square, b square, c square. So what is the common is a, that is c plus b into root 3. Okay students, how to write this is a square plus b square plus c square. Now we are taking into 2, that is a 2a. This is what? 1 by 2c. After then root 3 by 2b. So we are taking into 2 by 2. My dear students, the a square plus b square. How to write this is? Just you can think students, when we are, this is from the projection rule, how to write this is? We are taking 1 by 2. My dear students, let cos b equal to 1 by 2. And this is the students, the cos c equal to root of 3 by 2. How can you write this is the students? When we are taking the 1 by 2 is the cos b. This is c cos b. After that, this is the students b, this is taken c, b cos c. My dear students, 1 by 2 is the cos b, that is c cos b. Root 3 by 2 is the cos c, that is b cos c. This is what students? The b square plus b square plus c square 2a. This is from the projection rule small a. 2a into a, 2a square. So this is the students, we have to know that from the projection rule small a, 2a into a, 2a square. This is what students? We can written as a plus a square standing on the side minus a square. So students, this is b square plus c square equal to a square. What we observed here? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. But students, what is here? This is a, this is b, this is c. Angle a. What is the students? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Therefore student, from this angle a equal to 90 degrees. My dear students, when we are taking cos b is the 1 by 2. This is nothing but cos 60 root 3 by 2. This is 30. Now b is the 60 and c is the 30, a is the 90. This is the students right angle, and one of the angle is the acute 60 degrees. The option C is the correct. Right angle with one of the acute angles is measuring 60 degrees. Okay students, right angle and one of the angle 60 and other angle is the 30 degrees. Write down. So now students, the another one. In a triangle ABC, write down, in a triangle ABC, if 9 into a square plus b square equal to students 17 c square, then the value of cot A plus cot B by cot C. What is the students? Then the value of cot A plus cot B upon cot C. This is the students. We have to right now find the value of cot A plus cot B plus cot C. My dear students, how can you write this is cot A plus cot B plus cot C. Everybody know that? Just 1 minute students. The cot A, this is what? Cos A by sin A. So students, cot A is the cos A by sin A. Cot A, cos A, everybody know that from the cosine rule, b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc is there sin A. 2bc by sin A. That is 2bc into sin A. This is the students b square plus c square minus a square. We are taking into 2 by 2. 2 2s are 4 by 2. This is half bc sin A. This is what? B square plus c square minus a square by 4 delta. Now students, how to write this is b square plus c square minus a square by 4 delta. This is what students, similarly the cot B is c square plus a square minus b square by 4 delta. This is what students, a square plus b square minus c square by 4 delta. Now students, what happened here? The b square cancelled. Then also a square cancelled. LCM is the 4 delta. This is what? 2c square by, what is the students? LCM is 4 delta. 4 delta cancelled. So, is there a square plus b square minus c square? Dear students, what is the value of a square plus b square is? That is a square plus b square is the students 17c square by 9. This is what? A square plus b square is the 17c square by 9 minus c square. So students, 2c square, the 9 is the LCM, 9 2s are is the 18c square upon, what is the students? 17 minus 9. The 17 minus 9 is the students, what that is? 8c square. So, this is what students? 2 9s are, 2 4s are. So, 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is the answer. Okay students? Write down 9 by 4 is the answer. Yes. Okay students? Okay. This is today students. Tomorrow we will discuss some different models. Okay. Thank you all.